Those are my gloves. I'm gonna pick them up. The starting at the scuttle hole is gonna be a little bit of a before. I'm not looking forward to the sun coming out today, which is about to rear its ugly head. So the only thing that I've seen really change since last time I was here, they got new vent hoods, which is cool. At least I think it's cool. Kind of cool seeing all that crap up there, but I don't know what all this is about. You guys kind of get the gist on what I'm doing today. Pulling hell guards, combing, cleaning coils. Positive note, we got water up here. This is gonna be a little bit of a booger. God, I can't believe that. Shoot. Those are pretty. Anyhow, you guys will kind of see the transformation once I'm done. I usually pull these off in one day, but I'm not gonna be able to do this one today in one day. Anyhow, onward through the fog.